Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things related to personal finance and achieving your financial goals. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's becoming more and more popular in the personal finance world: financial independence and retiring early. Now, financial independence, retire early, or FIRE for short, is a concept that involves living below your means, investing heavily, and accumulating enough wealth to retire earlier than the typical retirement age. Financial independence, retire early, also known as FIRE, is a concept that has been gaining popularity over the past few years. The idea behind FIRE is to accumulate enough wealth and passive income so that you can retire early and live the life you want, without the need for traditional employment. The history of FIRE can be traced back to the 1992 book, Your Money or Your Life, by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. The book was a bestseller and introduced the concept of financial independence and early retirement to a wider audience. However, it wasn't until the rise of the internet and personal finance blogs in the early 2000s that FIRE gained more mainstream attention. Today, the FIRE movement has a large and growing community of followers, with blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels dedicated to sharing tips and strategies for achieving financial independence and early retirement. The movement has also been criticized by some who believe it promotes a lifestyle of extreme frugality and unrealistic financial goals. Regardless of the criticisms, the FIRE movement has brought attention to the importance of saving and investing for the future, and the idea of retiring early is now a realistic goal for many people. So how do you achieve financial independence and retire early? It all comes down to three main steps: planning, budgeting, and investing. The first step is planning. This involves setting goals and creating a plan to achieve them. You need to have a clear idea of what financial independence means to you and how much money you'll need to achieve it. This involves understanding your current expenses and creating a plan to reduce them, as well as setting a savings goal and a timeline for achieving it. The second step is budgeting. This is about creating a realistic budget that allows you to save as much money as possible. You'll need to cut unnecessary expenses and live frugally in order to achieve your savings goals. This step can be challenging, but it's essential if you want to achieve financial independence and retire early. The third and final step is investing. This involves putting your savings to work by investing in assets that will generate passive income. This could be in the form of stocks, real estate, or other investments that provide a steady stream of income. The key is to create a diversified portfolio that balances risk and reward, and provides enough income to cover your expenses. In addition to these three steps, there are a number of lifestyle choices that can help you achieve financial independence and retire early. These include downsizing your home, living a minimalist lifestyle, and focusing on experiences rather than material possessions. Overall, financial independence, retire early is a concept that has gained popularity for good reason. It's a way to take control of your financial future and achieve the life you want. By following the 3 steps of planning, budgeting, and investing, and making lifestyle choices that support your goals, you too can achieve financial independence and retire early. The future of the financial independence, retire early, FIRE, movement is looking bright, with more and more people adopting its principles and achieving financial freedom. In the coming years, we can expect to see a continued shift towards this movement as people realize the benefits of taking control of their finances and planning for their futures. One of the major benefits of the FIRE movement is the freedom it provides. By achieving financial independence, individuals can choose to retire early, switch to a lower-paying job that they enjoy more, or take time off to travel or pursue their passions. This freedom is incredibly valuable, as it allows individuals to live life on their own terms and not be constrained by financial worries. Another benefit of the FIRE movement is the sense of security it provides. By saving aggressively and investing wisely, individuals can build a substantial nest egg that will provide them with a safety net for the future. This is especially important in today's uncertain economic climate, where traditional pension plans are becoming increasingly rare and Social Security benefits may not be enough to support retirees. In addition to these benefits, the FIRE movement also has the potential to have a positive impact on the wider economy. By saving and investing aggressively, individuals can help to drive economic growth by providing capital for businesses to invest and expand. This can create jobs, increase productivity, and drive innovation, which can benefit everyone. Overall, the future of the FIRE movement looks bright, with more and more people recognizing the benefits of taking control of their finances and planning for their futures. Whether you're just starting out on your journey towards financial independence or are well on your way, the principles of the FIRE movement can provide you with the tools you need to achieve your goals and live the life of your dreams. So there you have it, the 3 steps to achieving financial independence and retiring early: planning, budgeting, and investing. And don't forget about the lifestyle choices that come along with it. If you're committed to achieving FIRE, you can make it happen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.